When performing characterization of powder particles, EM data can pose unique challenges, including particle overlap and varying contrast. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would measure the particle's diameter and record the result. This manual process was extremely time-consuming, especially for larger sample sets. Other techniques that are also available include laser diffraction and sieve analysis. These methods are effective in measuring particle size, but lack the ability to measure particle shape, such as roughness or aspect ratio. As we apply our recipe, we can see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect and measure the particles. You may notice that we are eliminating any particles that are touching the border of the image. This is because we do not want to measure partial particles. We're also measuring the particle caliper diameter, ensuring that particles that overlap are still getting an accurate measurement. We can also generate a word report from the results. MIPAR also offers curve fitting. Let's open up the Color by Measure tool. To add a curve fit, simply check the curve fit box and then pick a curve fit from the dropdown. You can also output a detailed report of the distribution and curve fit parameters. This solution works as demonstrated on a single image or a batch of images. We recommend measuring a larger particle volume to improve curve fit accuracy and statistical power.